Canva isn't just for making pretty graphics. Over the past 5 years, I have used it to build multiple income streams. And in today's video, we are going to explore real ways to make money from Canva, whether you want to sell digital products, offer services, and the interesting part yet, you can do all of this online with little to zero upfront cost. No hype, no unrealistic claims, just practical methods that people are using right now. Hi, I'm Divide, a Canva Pro user since 2020. While I can't guarantee income, I've helped 200 plus students explore these methods. Always do your own research. Before I proceed, it is important for you to understand that there are two general ways to earn money with Canva. That is by first, using Canva to create a product, and second, using Canva to create a service. You will then offer this product, services to your target audience or customers in order to make money. When we refer to products, use your skills and expertise to create something once and sell it repeatedly. On the other hand, when we talk about services, you're directly offering your skills to clients and in exchange you get paid. If you're new here, I'm an entrepreneur, and on this channel I share with you smart ways and unique strategies to build and grow a successful online business. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our future videos, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back, and let's get into the video. The first way is to create and sell digital products. Now let me take you through my journey on how I created my very first digital product and how I marketed it. So at that point I was in senior secondary school. Some of you also know it as high school. I ran an Instagram team page where I posted food content. Now at the period of me running that page, I was very broke, so I went online to research legit ways to make money online. Unfortunately for me, I found about digital products. Then I took a free course on how to create a digital product. So after learning that course, I decided to create my first digital product, which was a cookbook. I researched on different food recipes and step-by-step method on how to prepare them. Now I compiled all these food recipes into a cookbook using Canva, and also created the cover of the digital ebook using Canva. So now let's talk about how I marketed this ebook for free. My Instagram team page at that point, where I posted food content, I had marketed this digital cookbook to them, and some of them who were interested in learning new recipes actually purchased it. Some of the most popular type of digital products you can create are planners, ebooks, printables, and courses. The most important thing for you to remember is to create a digital product that solves specific problems for your audience. The best part is that you can create this digital product using the free version of Canva. There are also pre-made templates available. Make sure to fully customize them to align with your unique design and branding. This is very vital to avoid violating Canva's content license agreement. The second way you can make money from Canva is to create and sell print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand allows you to sell products like t-shirts, tote bags, phone cases, mugs, and more without handling production or shipping. Now here's how it works. Use Canva to create unique design, quotes, or illustrations. Canva Media Library is helpful, but make sure to combine elements to create something unique. This keeps your work original and within Canva's content policy. After that, you want to choose the legit print-on-demand company. Companies like Printify let you upload your designs and select products to sell. Once your designs are ready, set an online shop on online marketplaces like Etsy, Shopify, or promote them using your social media accounts. When the customer orders, the print-on-demand company prints, packages, cover the inventory, and ships the product directly to the customer. This means that you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. Your role is to create designs, select the product, and set up your shop. Now let's talk about how you can offer services using Canva, which will lead us to the third way. Offer a YouTube thumbnail creation services. In the world of YouTube, first impression matters, especially when it comes to thumbnails. Some YouTubers struggle with creating eye-catching thumbnails because they lack the design skills or simply they don't have time. That's where you come in. With Canva, you can offer a YouTube thumbnail design service to clients who are always in need. You can start by offering your services on legit freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork. Now here are the steps to get started. Step 1. A high converting YouTube thumbnail should be bold and eye-catching. It should have clear text and also follow YouTube guidelines. Step 2. Learn Canva for thumbnail design when designing YouTube thumbnails. Stay true to the video content. Always check Canva's content license to avoid any copyright issue. Use free stock photos or images provided by the client. Once you're confident in designing thumbnails, create a compelling portfolio. Include the best job that you've done in that portfolio, then you can create an online presence. Then you can start reaching out to potential clients. The second service you can offer with Canva is graphic design services. Now let's assume a passionate entrepreneur is eager to open their dream cafe but face significant challenge. They lack the time and design expertise to create a compelling logo, an enticing menu, professional business cards, and captivating social media graphics. Now they are at a standstill, needing assistance to transform their vision into reality. That is where you come in. Graphic design is all about creating visual assets that tells a brand story, and with Canva you can offer services like logo designing, social media templates, business branding kits, product packaging. Now how to get started. First thing first, build your portfolio. Now start by designing a few sample pieces or offer your services to friends, family, or small local business to build up your collection. Every project is an opportunity to learn and grow. Number 2, keep it simple. Focus on clean, simple and effective design that tells a story and serve a purpose. Number 3, find clients. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even social media can connect you with business owners who are always in need of design work. Number 4, which is the most important one, learn as you go. The more you design, the more better you'll get. There are endless resources online, from tutorials to design communities that can help you refine your skill. People remember great design. By helping others bring their vision to life, you not only build a portfolio, but you also create lasting, meaningful relationship with clients. Out of all this method that I listed out in the video, let me know your favorites and why. Until next time, make sure to like and subscribe for more future videos. See you in the next one.